Hey guys, and welcome your faces to this video. Today I'm going to be going over how to install Forge, Optifine, and a shader pack uh, for 1.16.2, just in case any of you do not know. So first things first, we would download the files. I will have linked down below in the description for the files to download, at least for Windows computers. So once you get this downloaded, the Forge 116.2 installer, you will start that. You will select install client and hit OK. I already have it installed, so I'm going to hit cancel. Alright. Once that finishes its process, you're going to open up Minecraft launcher, go to installations, and select make a new one, select the 1.16.2 Forge, hit play, so as to let it run let it start up for the first time. And if you haven't installed Forge before on your computer, it's going to make a mods folder to place all your mods in. And an easy way to get to that folder without going through the search bar is going to be through the actual game. So you're going to go options, say resource packs, open pack folder. It's going to bring up this one, hit done, and you will close the game at this point. So with this folder open, you'll hit Minecraft, go over to mods. In this mods folder, you will take the Optifine download that I have down below and put this in this mods folder. And then you're going to also go down here to shader packs and put the shader pack folder, the shader pack download that I have linked down below, into the shader pack folder. And once you have all of that placed in each of their corresponding folders, you're going to hit play, run the game once more. Do. It's going to do its thing. Don't worry about the not responding. It does that from time to time. It's going to load up. And the nice thing about Optifine is it has the shader pack loader within itself. So the only thing you need is Optifine or some other mod that allows you to use shader packs with it. Be wary when looking for downloads online, because there's a lot of downloads out there that will just ruin your day by giving you a virus. The downloads down below are all good. I use them on my computer, so we're good. So once you have the game loaded up, you're going to go to settings, video settings, shaders, and select the shader pack that you put in your shader packs folder. And yeah, when you're done, it's going to look like this once this opens up. And I don't have it max windowed out because the frame rate's dropping due to the fact that I'm recording. Anyways, you'll get all of these nice shadows. The sun's going to be super bright. And then your water Where's some water? Your water's gonna look awesome. So, yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. And if you found this helpful at all, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment down below for more videos like this, telling me if all that tells me that I should make more tutorials, and if this gets negative feedback, it's saying that my tutorials suck. Anyways, thank you for watching. Have a great day. See you next time.